Today I am going to discuss the major four types of computers. So basically there are four types of computers. Personal computer, also called as microcomputer, mini computer, mainframe computer and supercomputer. Microcomputer. It is used by one person. It contains one processor. It's not expensive at all. Available in different sizes and shapes. They have less storage capacity. Most commonly used microcomputers are of Apple and PC. Other one is the mini computer. It is used by a large number of people. It contains two or more processors and is more powerful than microcomputers. Large in size, more expensive, large storage capacity. Prime 9955, HP 3000 and AS400 are types of mini computer. Mainframe computer. It contains multiple users, multiple processors. It is more powerful than micro and mini computer. It is larger in size, more expensive, high storage capacity. IBM S390, NEC 610 and DEC 10 are major types of mainframe computer. Supercomputer. It is fastest of all, most powerful of all, biggest in size, very large storing capacity, most expensive of all. Thousands of microprocessors used for weather forecasting, weapon design and atomic research. Roadrunner, Blue Gene, Deep Blue are the major types of supercomputer. Thank you.